Welcome back to my class, students. Students, in the previous video we just discussed about what are determiners, their definition we discussed, and few examples we discussed. I hope that now you don't have any doubts in that what are determiners. Now we will discuss that how many types of determiners are there. So students, let's start the first. There are basically 5 types of determiners, and you know the names are the article determiners. Number 2, demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative. Number 3, possessive determiner. Number 4, quantifier determiners. Quantifier determiners. Number 5, that number determiners. Number determiners, student, they come in the category of quantifiers also. So basically there are 4 types of determiners. Article is divided into another 2 parts, definite article and indefinite article, then demonstrative determiners, possessive determiners, quantifier determiners, and then number determiners, or you can say numeric determiners, they come in the category of quantifiers only, students. So let's discuss these the determiners one by one. First we will discuss article determiners. Article determiners, students, I hope that everybody is well aware about articles. There are 3 articles in our English grammar: a, and the. They are called article determiners. A, N, and the. We have discussed and I have explained this article determiners also, as well as the article topics in your previous classes, and when you were in previous classes I have discussed this, I have told you all, and I know you all know that what are articles. Articles are called article determiners, and they are divided in 2 parts. First, definite article determiners and indefinite article determiners. So I am sure that you must know, student, that definite articles may which category comes, which article comes? The. And indefinite, a and n. The is called definite article, or in we are doing determiners, so the will be called definite article determiners, which is the, and indefinite article determiners are a and n. Let's do their uses. Where definite article is used, students, I have told you before also, so let me tell you again that definite article the is used before the names of holy rivers. कहाँ पे यूज़ किया जाता है हमको इनका? बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ होली रिवर्स, होली बुक्स, or some particular books, you know, very popular book, and newspaper. Holy river, holy books, newspaper, you know, before, and etc. So on, they go on. Many things are holy river, holy books, newspaper. I am going towards north, like any river, any book, newspaper before the times of India, you know, mountains, oceans, etc. includes all that. Before the names of mountains, the Himalaya, right, the Kanchenjunga. Before the names of river, the Ganga, the Yamuna. Holy books, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Newspaper, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, the Navbharat Times, the Hitvad. And before the names of oceans, the Prashant Mahasagar, you know, Arabian Mahasagar, before, and etc. So we use before them. Example, if you want to see, I am reading the Hindustan Times. So Hindustan Times is a noun, name of a newspaper, noun, and this the is definite article. And as I have told you that articles determiners come before the nouns and they clarify or modify the meaning of noun. Here Hindustan Times is the name of newspaper, which is of course a noun, and the is definite article determiners, and it is डिटरमाइनिंग क्लैरिफाई कि मैं क्या पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहा हूँ, ना कि मैं नवभारत टाइम्स पढ़ रहा हूँ, ना ही मैं हितवाद पढ़ रहा हूँ और सम अदर न्यूज़पेपर. सो दिस इज द नाउ डेफिनेट, दिस वाज डेफिनेट. यू कैन यूज दैट, यू नो, द गंगा, व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द गंगा रिवर, द बाइबल, द कुरान. So we are using then before the names, the article, definite article determiner, when we are talking particularly about that one only. So they determine, definite कर देते हैं कि you are talking about the Ganga river only, or I am reading the Hindustan Times. I am reading newspaper. If I will write like this, I am reading newspaper, there will be no determiner in this. Yes, noun is there, but that will not determine which newspaper I am reading. And किसका पेपर पढ़ रहा हूँ, किस कंपनी का पेपर पढ़ रहा था मैं, आई एम रीडिंग द हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स. सो आई हैव डेफिनेट आर्टिकल डिटरमाइनर्स वाज दिस. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम श्योर दैट यू नो अबाउट हाउ टू यूज ए, वेयर टू यूज ए एंड एन. दे आर इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल डिटरमाइनर्स, इनडेफिनेट बिकॉज अनिश्चित होते हैं, इनका निश्चित यूज़ नहीं होता. दा का एक निश्चित यूज़ होता है यहाँ पे. दिस इज इनडेफिनेट. वी कैन यूज ही इज़ अ बॉय, देर आर मैनी बॉयज, आई सॉ अ बॉय. यू नो, आई एम श्योर दैट यू नो अबाउट द डिफरेंस दैट वी यूज ए विद द कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स, with the consonants, and N we use with vowel sounds. With consonants A, like in alphabets there are 21 consonants and there are 5 vowels. Vyanjan swar जिनको बोलते हैं A, E, I, O, U. And the difference also, sometime I have told you that you must, when you are using N before any noun, you must take care about the pronunciation and you must take care about the word. If it is some words will start from the, you know, A, E, I, O, U, but their pronunciation is different, so you cannot use N before them, and we will use their A. Like, let's do few examples of A and N, then it will be clear to you. Some examples we will do now, students. So A and N examples. First we do the example of I gave him dash 1 rupee note. And second, if I will write his father is dash MLA. So 2 examples I have written, student. The first example is I gave him 1 rupee note. His father is dash MLA. Let's see which article determiner, indefinite article determiner will come, but which one? As I was telling you that there is written 1. It is, you will say that it is starting from O, and which is a vowel. But if you will say this word, 1, va sound is coming. When you say 1, pronunciation is 1. The spelling is O-N-E. Students, when we speak 1, when we write 1, the spelling is O-N-E. This is a vowel, right? But when we speak it, the sound is va sound. A va is consonant, not the vowel sound. So sound also matters. So here N, if you will write, this will be wrong. What should we write? A will come. I gave him a 1 rupee note. His father is MLA. Now many students think after I have told this also, but MLA, Ma LA nahi. Students will say MLA written. M is a consonant, so we should use A there. If you will write A here, it will be wrong. Why it will be wrong? Because I have told you, when few words you will find, you must pronunciate them also, and you see the spelling also. Spelling is MLA, M is a consonant, you will say A will come, but you must speak MLA. M, A sound is coming. Ma la a nahi hai wo, ma la nahi hai, MLA. So M sound, A sound is coming, that's why the right answer will be N. This is the difference in using A and N, which are indefinite article. I gave him a 1 rupee note. एक रुपए का उसको नोट दिया. His father is an MLA. There are many MLAs, so they are indefinite. A and N. So they were the article determiners, which are divided in two parts: definite article determiners and indefinite. The comes in the category of definite article determiners, and A and N come in the category of indefinite article determiners. So students, let's do the next type of determiner, which is demonstrative determiners. Demonstrative. What is demonstrative determiners? Demonstrative. Student, demonstrative determiners. Demo means to show something physically. जब आप खुद प्रेजेंट होकर, है ना, शारीरिक रूप से किसी चीज़ का डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव डेमो देते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डेमो, प्रदर्शन करना. इफ आई से दिस इज़ अ मार्कर, इट हैज़ 2 colors, white, black. In fact it has 3 colors, you know, black, white, red also, yellow also, 4 in fact, and it writes very well on the board. The cost is also minimum, so I am giving the demo physically. You know, this thing is in my hand, this marker, this is a marker. So when we demonstrate something physically, that is called demonstration, and that is the second type of determiners, demonstrative determiners. They also obviously, they also come before the noun and they demonstrate. So what are the words of demonstrative determiner? This, that, these and those. Students, I am sure that you know about these 4 words uses. If you don't know, let's do quickly. This and this is used for the one singular and the things which are near. Singular objects, singular nouns, and near, which are near. That is also used for singular, but which is far, जो पास में नहीं है. दैट का यूज़ वहाँ पर होता है, सिंगुलर के लिए यूज़ होगा. दैट बॉय, दैट गर्ल, दिस बॉय, दिस गर्ल, दिस बॉय, दिस मार्कर. आई एम हैविंग इट वेरी क्लोज, मेरे पास में ही है, तो दिस. दूर होता तो दैट मार्कर. तो दैट सिंगुलर एंड फार, एंड दीस will be plural nouns, and near, those same plural but far. If I have 2 marker like this, students, now I have 2 marker and they are close to me, I am holding them, so I am demonstrating. These are 2 markers. One is new, one is old marker. So these are 2 markers, plural and near. Those, if these marker are kept somewhere else far from me, so I will say those marker. Please give me those 2 markers. So plural and far. If it is one, so this, we will use this singular and near, because पास में, और singular और दूर है तो that. Singular and far. This. So these 4 words are the demonstrative determiner. They demonstrate something. Let's do the example now. The first example, like this, I have told you in the previous video also, this example, this house is mine, यह मेरा घर है. This demonstrative, house is noun, आर्टिकल है ये, सॉरी डिटरमाइनर है, बट विच काइंड ऑफ डिटरमाइनर? डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव डिटरमाइनर. सपोज दिस इज योर हाउस एंड यू आर टेलिंग समवन दिस हाउस इज माइन, ये मेरा घर है, उसका नहीं है, किसी और का नहीं है. दिस डज नॉट बिलोंग टू अजय और समवन एल्स. दिस हाउस इज माइन, ये मेरा घर है. दैट बॉय इज वेरी intelligent. That boy is very intelligent. That boy is very intelligent. The boy is standing a little far, which we can see, but he is far. So we are saying that boy. It is singular and it is far. वो लड़का दूर है, इसलिए हमने that लगाया. वो लड़का बहुत बुद्धिमान है, बट ही इज स्टैंडिंग फार, सो हमने दैट लगाया. सिंगुलर बट क्लोज, सो वी हैव यूज दिस, एंड द सिंगुलर बट फार, सो वी हैव यूज दैट. सो दे हैव दैट बॉय, वो लड़का. हम पर्टिकुलर उसको क्लैरिफाई कर दिए. बॉय इज अ नाउन. दैट बॉय इन ग्रीन शर्ट, वी कैन राइट दैट बॉय इन ग्रीन शर्ट इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. वी विल मोर क्लैरिफाई अबाउट द बॉय. Maybe there are 5-6 boys standing, but we are saying that boy standing. Now these pencils are good. Those far है. Those books are not mine. यहाँ पे these pencils, if I have 2-3 pencils and they are close to me, I will say these pencils are good. ये पेंसिल अच्छी हैं, ये पेंसिल्स अच्छी हैं. Those books हैं लेकिन far हैं, they are far from, and more than one book, so those books are not mine. वो मेरी किताबें नहीं हैं. So these are the demonstrative, they demonstrate something. This girl is very naughty. Up she is standing. This girl is very talkative. That boy is very talkative. These pencils are good. Those books are not mine. So they are demonstrative determiners which demonstrate something. This TV has lots of functions. Those TVs has not. They don't. Those TVs have lots of functions, or they don't have lots of functions. So they are the demonstrative determiners. They are called demonstrative determiners. Now students, the third determiners we will do, which is next one. Tell me students. Possessive determiners. Possessive, which shows or about which shows possession, जो हमें मालिकाना हक दिखाते हैं, किसका हक है उस पर. दे आर कॉल्ड पोजेसिव डिटरमाइनर्स. किसका हक है उस चीज़ पर, कौन मालिक है उस चीज़ का. पोजेसिव determiners. What are these determiners? Like the words which describe these determiners are my, mine, yours, his, her, theirs, their house, etc. और भी वर्ड्स हो सकते हैं, बट जो बेसिक फैमिलियर वर्ड्स माई, माइन, योर्स, हिज, हर, देयर, एटसेट्रा, ये शो करते हैं पोजेशन व्हेन दे कम बिफोर द नाउन. दिस इज माई हाउस. दिस इज माई house. This house is mine, demonstrative, because here this, there is some confusion which students find, sir this तो comes in the category of demonstrative determiners. Of course आता है उसमें, लेकिन यहाँ noun के पहले आना चाहिए. Where what is noun in this sentence? House. And before that word is this, mine. This is possessive determiner. PD we can write possessive determiner. This is my house. ये मेरा घर है. मेरा, तुम्हारा नहीं है, उसका नहीं है, किसी और का नहीं है, मेरा घर है. पोजेशन दिखा रहा है, मालिकाना हक दिखा रहा है. But when you write house just after this, like when we'll say this हाउस इज माइन, यह घर मेरा है। सो यहाँ पे दिस इज नाउन, दिस इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव डिटरमाइनर, दिस हाउस इज माइन। नाउन के पहले दिस आया तो ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव डिटरमाइनर है, बट इन द अबव सेंटेंस दिस हाउस इज माइन, this is my house, house is noun and my is coming before that, so this is possessive determiner. Now it's his car, it's his car, his car noun possessive determiner, उसकी कार है, उसकी ना, this house is yours, it is his car, his, her, it's her car, we can write it's her car also, it's mine, this pen is mine, but then no, this is my pen, or my house, your house, his house, this is his house, this is her house, this is their house. Now see, their brother, their brothers help them, उनके भाई, हमारे भाई नहीं, तुम्हारे भाई नहीं, उनके भाई, their brother, brothers are noun and there is possessive determiner, so their brothers is possessive determiner, there is, these words are showing their brothers, your brother always help you, his brother always help him, her brother always help her, so these are the possessive determiner which shows possession. This is my car, it's his car, those pen are mine, but those pen, if you will write those pen, so those will come in the category of demonstrative determiner, so we'll write those are my pen, so my will show possessive determiner, possession, malikana hak, so these are the, this is the third type, possessive determiner. So students, we have done determiners, what are determiners, and we have done three types of determiners, article determiners, demonstrative determiners and possessive determiners. So I think this is enough for today's class, and we will continue this topic in tomorrow's class. And what I want you student, that please go through this topic which we have just done. We have done determiners definitions, three types of determiners, article determiners are divided in two parts, definite article and indefinite article, and then we have done the second type, demonstrative determiners, then we have done the third type, possessive determiners. Next two types we will do in tomorrow's class with some questions, with some exercises also, with more examples. So in today's class, that is it for today's class students. Please take care of yourself and your family members as well. Thank you very much.